Who doesn't love being inside watching the snow fall with a cup of hot cocoa? Cut back on the calories of prepared mixes by making your own hot cocoa this year. It also increases the calcium and protein content too. To make it, simply mix 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa with 1 tablespoon of sugar and add 1 cup of warmed milk. And then you could either mix using a spoon or a whisk and blend up that hot cocoa. Enjoy it topped with whipped cream or marshmallows as a cozy winter dessert. To receive healthy recipes and tips each week, subscribe to the St. Peter's Better for Life e-newsletter at stpetershcs.com/better.